Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can share your Instagram on Snapchat. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Snapchat app on your device. After the Snapchat app opens up, click a picture or a video for a story like this, and you'll be guided to this page. On this page, on the right hand side of your screen, you'll see a pin option. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be guided to this page. Now on this page, you'll have to type in instagram.com and hit the search button. Wait for it to load. After it loads, if you haven't logged in, you'll be guided to the login page, so you'll have to fill in your email address and your password to log in. And if you have logged in, you can just simply click on this attach to snap option on the bottom of your screen, and there you have it. The Instagram will be linked to your Snapchat story for you to share to your Snapchat. I hope this video helped you to share your Instagram on Snapchat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.